In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, juggling plants, uptime, and metrics is overwhelming. Now imagine a single hub that monitors, analyzes, and acts in real time. That's what AI expert Tridents have built. A smart manufacturing command center. Introducing the Tridents Manufacturing Control Tower, your real-time engine for productivity and smarter decisions. Kick off with the homepage dashboard, a centralized view of key metrics like planned versus actual output, cycle time, cost of goods sold, yield, and throughput. It's everything you need to track production performance in real time. Get a global snapshot of plant operations with the Geo Map. Instantly compare performance across locations, and thanks to real-time machine and sensor alerts, you can catch issues early and keep unplanned downtime at bay. Step into the future with Industry 4.0. The digital twin creates a virtual replica of your manufacturing setup, helping you pinpoint inefficiencies, run quality checks, and simulate predictive maintenance, preventing breakdowns. Issues pop up, but solutions are just a click away. The action page lets you act fast, adjust plans, reallocate resources, or dispatch maintenance in seconds. With automated workflows and smart recommendations, every move is timely and precise. No delays, no guesswork, just seamless operations. Worried about integration? The Manufacturing Control Tower connects seamlessly with your existing systems via secure cloud platforms, ensuring real-time insights through smooth data ingestion. The Manufacturing Control Tower is more than a dashboard. It's your command center for efficiency. Cut downtime and maintenance costs, maximize production output, elevate quality, and ensure compliance. Power every decision with data. With centralized ops and automated workflows, stay agile, stay competitive, stay profitable. Take charge of your manufacturing today.